Welcome back to my Bishaha Tulador channel. Today, this video is all about the employee management system part for the adding the employee, okay, or creating the employee list. Okay. First of all, we should open the Visual Studio. Here we can see when we run this code, in part 2 video we have already shown the employee list. In this part 3 video we are going to show the add button here and add the employee, and we will show that add um, employee into here. For that we have to open the Visual Studio and we will see for the employee controller. Right here the um, public high action results create okay you okay. Now we need to uh, create the view in create employee. For that we have to right click here, stop it, right click here, add view, and name it as the create. Write any name. For this example we are writing the name create employee. One for heading, this is the HTTP gate. Okay. When we try to run this program, we need to add the add button here. For that, we have to edit in the index, this space, right? This space is called is the see index space. Okay, index space. You can see that. Okay, right after the employee list. This is the employee list, right? To the bottom. Okay, with that, let's start this link or a link with right PHP action, the add buttons name, sorry, add button view page, sorry, view page is the create right to be direct here. The process for the design will be look for the bottom. So bottom to the bottom, that is little bit small. Let's add, okay. Just refresh it or Control F5. And just load. Okay. You can see that we have already created the add button here. When we try to click this add button, then it will redirect to the employee sorry, this create employee page. Okay. Now we have to design the create employee page. Okay. Let's not create. That's right. Iterate for the bracket view data title add new create employee. This view data title will show the message in your so this is the control. That's why if it's not working, just click this. You can title view data title is now we need to create a form. Right. Form. Okay. Mm, where we need to redirect, right? ESP action deploy. This is we will submit the add button and it should be redirected to create employee post. Okay. And method will be post. Post. Here, attribute model, employee management or system.model.employee. This employee is the employee model. See this employee model. Now here we have also added this validation for the showing the message. Okay, validation. Give is the validation summary model only. Class text. This is for the design or the div. Uh, have created the two div. Okay, label is P for is for the first name, class, form label, FW, that's full for the old level. Okay, this is the input box, right? Input box, class, home control, placeholder, enter, posting. This is for the validation, okay? Just run this or okay. You can see that we have successfully create a level here and create the text box, right? Now we are going to create another text box for the post name, department. Another thing we have the post name, last name, email, department, salary, joining date. Okay. For that, we have to just copy paste the course. We have copied this code here and only change the here the is the first name, right? And we have filled into the last name. And for email, we have just last name, and different last name. This for the last name here. And the level is before the email type for the validation By using this type is called the email, only the user can only enter the email. If somebody try to enter which is not like the email address, then it will show the error message. And we have paid the dependent on the salary gender. When we run this code, then we will see something like this. Now we have to create a add button here. For that, now we have in here we have successfully created the back to list button and the save employee button. This back to list, when we click the back to list button, it will redirect to the index view. See, with the ASP dash action. It means when you click this back to list, then it will redirect to the index. And there is another button, Save Employee. See, when we click the Save Employee button, then it will show submit this form. And when we try to submit this form, then it will redirect to the create employee. See, in method post, it means that we redirect your as it will be popular from here. It will redirect here the public a same task I actually will create employee this employee interview employee. It will post it will go to here. Okay. Now for validation you also have to write here at the red section script like this. Render partial async. Validation script partial async. When we run this code, then we'll see that like this. Okay, perfect. Now we will write the code for this post. Okay? Have to create the employee in we have to write for the employee. You can see in employee repository, we have already created a code here. See, public async task group and employee async. Okay, employee using SQL connection here, just like in the SQL connection, we have created the employer values, address, first name, last name, like this. Okay. Then we have used the SQL command here, this one, and we have added the um, this field. Okay. Okay. We have added this SQL connection here, and when row is affected, then it will return. See, okay. Now we are going to create a unemployed repository here. Okay, here is the in employee repository. We have write it down to add employee async employee employee. We have to write code in employee controller also. See, If the model state is valid, then we need to pass this to the repository and employee. Okay. If this employee add is successful, then we will return an index. See, I will explain that. Okay. When this creator, first of all, okay, okay. This code is for the showing the create employee view page. Okay. Instead, we add here to show this page. Okay. Okay. Now, when it will is on the tab, okay, it will show you this page. Okay, this one. When we add, for example, we will add the neuron cluster. You see at the human.com, the salary once on that, joining the login. Okay. When we save this button directly, okay, save in glory. See, it will redirect here, okay? Then, sorry, the model is valid. It means that there is no error in that view page and it will go inside this model state is valid, okay? And it will, we will go to the repository, add employee async with, with our input value. See, this is a model. We have imported this value, okay? To F10, F10, okay? So, in order to go inside, we have to write the F11, okay? We just F10 here, we'll go to the database and we will add into the TBL employee, right? If the result is all okay, then it will redirect to the index view page, okay? Next view page, just continue. Okay, you can see that we have successfully added the employee Niva's restaurant. So we will try to update this update